Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach moral science to class 6 students. Lesson number 10, Face Fear. This is a story about a hero named Nelson. About a hero named Nelson. Life story. Let's start the story, children. Horatio Lord Nelson was a son of Edmund and Catherine Nelson. He was born on September 29, 1758 in Norfolk, England. This story is about Horatio and Lord Nelson. His father was Edmund, his mother was Catherine Nelson. He was born in 29 September 1758 in Norfolk, England. Nelson was sickly as a baby. Even later when he went to war, he suffered from seasickness and often had bout of malaria and dysentery. From very childhood, Nelson was very weak and feeble child because he was all the time he used to remain sick. When he grew up, he went for war in the boat, in the ship. He was fear of sea. That time also he used to get sickness of malaria and dysentery. From his childhood, Nelson showed courage. One day, while returning to his grandmother's house, he got lost. At dinner time, he was still missing. His family was very worried and thought that probably the gypsies had taken him away. They looked around for his everywhere for a long time. Finally they found Nelson sitting along by a brook which he could not cross over. He looked calm and unafraid. Now, when he was growing, he was maybe he was very weak because of illness from his childhood, but he was very courageous boy. From his very childhood, he showed the quality that he is not scared of anything. One day such thing happened that while he was going to his grandmother's house, he was lost on the way. The grandfather and grandmother parents searched him whole day. At the dinner time also he did not reach to the home. Their parents and grandmother parents thought the gypsies might have taken him away and looked for everywhere. But at last they found that Nelson was sitting all alone by a brook. Brook is a small stream, jharna. He was sitting just across the brook, but he was not scared. He was not afraid. He was sitting silently there. Might be any problem happened, but he was not scared that he was sitting alone in that place. My child, did not hunger and fear driven you home? His grandmother asked. Grandma, I was not scared at all. What is fear? Nelson asked. Now grandmother asked to him, my child, your hunger and fear did not make you to run away to home. Why you are sitting here? Then Nelson, in reply to his grandmother's question, he told, grandmother, what is scared? Scared. What is afraid? I don't know. What is this thing? I am not aware of scared. So I am here because I could not go that side of the brook, so I was sitting here. Nelson fought many battles from 1793 till his death. In the Battle of Trafalgar in 1805, despite losing his right arm and sight in his right eye, he surprised his enemy with his courage plan. In his lifetime, Nelson fought many battles. From 1793 he started his battle, and in 1805 he fought the biggest battle of his life, Trafalgar battle. In the battle he lost one of his right hand, he lost one of his right hand in the war. One of the side also he lost, means he could see only from one eye. But courage was there in his heart. He was not at all let down by the thing that I don't have an arm and an eye. He didn't feel for that. He felt, okay, I don't have one hand and one eye. Then also I will fight with all my might, because he was very courageous. In 1797, Nelson fought the Battle of Copenhagen. A signal was sent to Nelson to stop the attack. Nelson looked into the telescope with his blind eyes and said, I have only one eye, so I have the right to be blind sometimes. He pretended not to see the signal and continued the battle. In 1797, he was having a war named Copenhagen battle. In that battle, the enemy gave the signal to stop the battle. Nelson, through the telescopes, saw the signal, but he told that I am blind from one eye, so I could not see the signal. So he went on fighting, and at last he won the battle. Many times enemies thought him to be very weak because he was not having a right eye and a right hand. But he made them feel pain after losing the war, because due to his courage he could achieve anything in the war he wanted. In the Battle of Nile in 1798, Nelson stopped the French with his courage. He sailed between the sword and the French fleet. The French gun faced the sword, but they were not prepared to shoot because they never expect Nelson to attack from such a position. In 1798, he shocked the French army due to his courage. While he was going back to the shore, the French army ship also showed the face of their gun towards Nelson, but they did not attack him, thinking that Nelson was going towards the shore. From there he will not attack. But Nelson was very cunning. He attacked from that position and killed the French people or the army. During the Battle of Trafalgar, Nelson sent the famous signal to motivate his fleet. Signal, England, expect that every man will do his duty. He wore his uniform with all medal and bravely walked to the deck of the ship in full sight of the enemy. He was recognized and shot at. No one imagined that a man of such delicate health would have become a hero and he respected by the English for centuries. Now, in the Battle of Trafalgar, Nelson proved his enemy that he is the most courageous person in the universe at that moment. Why? Because he wore the army dress with all his medals and went to the deck of the ship. Deck is the front part of the ship. If you stand there, everybody can see. The enemy could easily see the Nelson that he was standing on the deck with full uniform. They could not believe that such a courageous person Nelson would be, because he was just in front of the gun of the enemy. In the deck he was standing, but they could not fire at him, Rather, they were surprised to see the courage of Nelson, and this is how people used to think that how a slim and thin person have such a courageous heart, and he was so daring that he could achieve anything he wanted in the battlefield through his courage, and the quality of him was nobody can match in that time. He was so courageous, and people till date of England tell about the story of Nelson, how courageous king or the fighter he was in his life. Thank you, children, about listening of this story. So, moral we got from this story that we should face every situation of our life courageously. We should not have a bit of fear in us when we are facing any situation. If you have fear, you cannot succeed that, or you can overcome that problem. To overcome any problem throughout your life, you need to have courage in your heart. Thank you. Have a good day. God bless you. Bye bye.